this is Abby,
Claire,
and Olivia, and we're presenting Snapchat. What is Snapchat? Snapchat is an app that has imaging messaging software where users can decide if a picture will last between 1 to 10 seconds before the picture will self-destruct. Snapchats can also be edited to add effects, filters, text, and drawings. They can be viewed through someone's story, which is where pictures and videos are visible to the public for 24 hours. There was a new update that was recently released that allows you to video chat and message on the app.
the beginning of Snapchat. The creators Evan Spiegel, Bobby Murphy, and Frank Reginald Reggie Brown IV Snapchat began as a project for Spiegel's class at Stanford. It was launched in 2011, and it was originally named Picaboo. The app was relaunched 2 months later as Snapchat. By December 12, 2012, the company had a $70 billion evaluation. The headquarters of Snapchat is located in Venice, California.
As Claire said, Snapchat was started in July 2011 and it was first called Picaboo and now called Snapchat as of fall 2011. And then in fall 2011, it acquired 100,000 users. And then in December 2012, Snapchat launched the Android version and introduced video snaps. In December 2012, days before Christmas, Facebook launched the Poke app, which could be called the Snapchat clone. And then by February 2013, it had 60 million snaps sent per day. And then by May 2013, it had 150 million snaps sent per day. And then as of fall 2013, Snapchat launched the Stories. In November 2013, the Facebook CEO offered $33 billion for Snapchat, but they refused. And then May 2014, Snapchat added text conversations and video chat to the app. And then as of 2015, Snapchat has had the biggest growth among social and managing apps by 55%.
Snapchat features. Some features of Snapchat include snaps, which are photos or videos you send to a friend or multiple friends. Stories, which are collections of Snapchats that any of your friends can view for up to 24 hours. A Snap Score, which is a combination of the number of snaps you've sent and received, stories you've posted, and other factors. Snap Streak is if you've sent the same friend snaps for consecutive days, you're on a snap streak. So the number of days you've been sending Snapchats is your snap streak. Screenshot is a screenshot of a user's snap or story. Discover. These are channels created by various publishers for a mass audience. And Replay, which is replaying the last snap you've used. Geotags, which are showing where you are and can also mark a holiday or other special event. And filters, which can change the way a Snapchat looks and the appearance of it.
So Snapchat by the numbers. Over 200 million total global users use Snapchat, 100 million daily users, and over 8 billion daily views on Snapchats combined. 400 million stories are created per day, and it takes about 10 years to view all of the photos uploaded in the past hour. So if you were to go through all of the photos uploaded, it would take you about 10 years. And then 1 in 4 teenagers uses Snapchat.
Snapchat percentages. So 45% of users on Snapchat are between 18 and 24 years old. Snapchat reaches 11% of the total U.S. digital population. 70% of the Snapchat users are female. 30% of the U.S. millennial internet users go on Snapchat daily, each day. 18% of the U.S. social media users have Snapchat.
Here's the list of top 10 brands using Snapchat. They include Taco Bell, IHOP, American Eagle, so some really popular brands that are turning to social media in order to spread their message. Now we'll take you through a tutorial of the app and how to use it.
So the first thing you have to do in order to get Snapchat is download the app from the Apple or Android store. Then you need to create an account if you do not already have one, or log in if you already have an account. And as you can see, you can log in or sign up. And if you sign up You just have to enter your email address and then you'll be ready to use.
Once you are logged in, if you have an existing account, it'll bring you to this screen. You will see little symbols. The red filled-in arrow represents that you have sent a snap and it hasn't been opened. The red arrow not filled in means that someone has opened your snap. And a red empty square means you have opened the snap but haven't replied yet. And the symbols on the side are representing your different friends. And the 100 is a snap streak, which means I've been Snapchatting someone for 100 days.
Now you're going to want to either swipe to your right or double tap on a name to be brought to your camera. If you want to take a picture, press the big circle button towards the bottom of the screen. To take a video, hold down the big circle button.
Now comes the fun part. You can add text, filter, color, and even emoji stickers to your snap to make it more personalized. You can add different colors, even how fast you're going, the temperature outside, and what time it is. Now, press the little white arrow in the corner of the screen to send your snap. You can also, these are examples of geotags which you can also add to your snap. This one says, "I won't snap and drive," and this is a sponsored geotag by Snapchat, and this one is a Middletown geotag saying where the snap was taken.
Let's say you want to add a crazy effect to your face. Go to the camera again and press and hold on your face to make the filters appear. Then press the button below to capture the image of your face. There are so many fun ones to choose from, such as the dog, the crazy eyes, and the flower head dress.
This page shows what the emojis by your friends and contacts mean. So for example, the pink heart means a super BFF, which shows your #1 best friend, which is a mutual #1 best friend. A yellow heart shows besties, and a red heart shows BFF, and a grinning face shows mutual besties.
If you ever want to chat with someone, slide right on their name. This will take you into a little chat room where you and a friend can send private messages to each other, and also stickers, and even FaceTime and call each other. That's the calling and that's the FaceTiming. And you can also save the messages they sent to you by clicking on the snap. Also, there are stickers, as you can see, this cute little cat sticker.
Now, how to add someone. You can add someone by adding by their username, adding from your address book, adding by a snap code, adding by nearby, or you can even share a username. If you go to Added Me, which is in your settings, you can see people who have added you, and you can click the little gray box to add them back. If you go to Manage, you can turn on or off the filters, which is what you use to make your face look funny, or Travel Mode, which can save battery. You can also change the permissions and the friend emojis. Also in settings is your name, your username, and all of your important information for Snapchat. Now if you go to the camera and swipe down, this screen will pop up, and the big yellow thing is your snap code. If you press the arrow that points up, you'll find your trophy case, which encases all of the things you've done on Snapchat, which get you awards.
As you can see, Snapchat is a fun and unique way you can communicate with friends. Thank you for watching.